What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw Oogie Boogie from A Nightmare Before Christmas. Let's begin today's lesson at the top of our page with the lower edge of the brow. And we're going to leave a gap in between the eyes. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up. And we'll just bend that out towards the left. Let's line up the inside over on the right and do the same thing. Going up and we'll bend that out. Let's go back to the inside and curl up the brow. On the left, we're going to bend this in and then up, and then we'll do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to draw on the outside of the eye. On the left side, let's step in, curve the eye going out, and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Now let's push the top edge of the cheeks along the bottom edge of the eyes. Starting over on the left, come in, and then bend that down toward the inside of the brow. Let's fill the inside of the eyes. Now let's move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. We'll start over on the left side, curve the mouth going up, and we'll bend that down. Let's round out the bottom of the mouth, and then just pull that up towards the top along the side. From the corners of the mouth, we're going to step in and draw the bottom of the mouth. Let's start on the left. Come down the middle, round this out, and pull that back up. Now use a thick black marker to fill the inside of the mouth. Let's add some pleats along the top edge of the mouth. Starting over on the left, just going to bend this out and then up, go to the right, and do the same thing. And add a couple more along either side. Bend this out and up. Let's add one more on the outside. Now add those folds along the bottom. Leave a gap in the center. Start on the left, bend this out and then down. Add a couple more on either side. Now you move to the outside and draw on the cheeks coming down towards the chin. Let's start outside the left eye, curve this around the corner of the mouth, come down, and then bend that in. Let's line this up on the right. Going around the corner of the mouth, come down, and then in. Let's add a fold underneath the chin. On the left, come around and in. Now going back up to the cheeks, we're going to curve the brow going up, around the eye, and then bend that down on the inside. Now I'm going to flop the top of the head over towards the left. Let's start on top of the left brow, add that fold, going up and in. Let's go on top of the right brow. I'm just going to pull this up and across towards the top. Let's flop this over towards the left side. Bring this out and then down. Let's tuck this in on the left side of the head. Coming in. And go back to the tip. We're going to connect this point to the inside of that fold. Going up and across. And we'll add some stitch lines across that line. Starting on the left. Now from here we're going to move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start underneath the neck on the left side and curve the body going out, come around, and just pull that in towards the ankle. Let's move over towards the right, go in the opposite direction, round out the body, and then pull that in. Now I'm going to go back up and draw on the left arm. Let's start underneath the neck, bend the arm coming out, and then up towards the wrist, round out the wrist, and pull that down toward the tip of the hand. Pull the bottom of the hand coming up and then in. Now let's tuck the arm in underneath the hand, starting from the outside, come in, down, and then in behind the body. Now I'm going to place 2 squares on top of the hand for the dice. Let's start in the middle with 2 straight lines going up. Now on the left side, we go straight across, and just go past the right side. Now from here, we go straight up towards the top, come in, and then come straight down to create another square. Let's add 2 dots on the top die, and 1 in the center on the bottom, and we'll add 1 more dot on each corner. Now we line up the top of the arm over on the right side, and bend the arm going out, and then down towards the elbow, come down, and then in towards the wrist. Let's bend the hand. We step out, come down, and then out, and we'll taper this back in towards the side of the body. Now let's add a fold on top of the forearm, right up, and then out. Let's go back to the left side and add a stitch underneath the arm. We'll start from the hand, go this down, and then in towards the body, and we'll add those lines going across. Let's add some stitches on top of the right arm, starting from the neck, going across towards the elbow, and we'll add those stitch lines. Now let's add a fold underneath the ankle. We're going to step out, curve around, and then in. And then from the side of that fold, bend the foot going out and then down towards the toe. Let's round out the bottom of the feet, coming down and then in. Let's move back up and draw the bottom edge of the body. Start up here, curve this down, and then up towards the right. And then from the heel, bend the leg going up, and then in underneath the body. And we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Oogie Boogie from A Nightmare Before Christmas. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.